In a quiet forest, two monkeys lived on a tall old tree. Their names were Raju and Maya. They had been together for a long time. Raju loved Maya deeply. He brought her the sweetest fruits, sat beside her every day, and never left her alone. But Maya had a problem. She was not bad. She was just unsure. Sometimes she thought, he cares for me so much, but what if his love is not real? Slowly, small arguments began. One day she said, I don't think you love me like before. Raju looked at her quietly and said, Why would I stay with you every day if I didn't love you? But her heart was still not calm. One cold evening, Maya made a decision. She said, Tomorrow, before sunrise, we will both come to this tree. Whoever comes first loves more. Raju stayed silent for a moment, then smiled softly. Okay, he said. If this will remove your doubt, I will come. That night, Maya went to sleep, planning to wake up early. But Raju did not leave. He stayed under the tree alone. He thought, what if I sleep and wake up late? What if she comes first and feels hurt again? So he decided, I will stay here all night. The cold wind blew strongly. It was freezing. Raju's body trembled. His hands became cold, but he did not move. He sat there, thinking only about her. She will come in the morning, and she will finally understand my love. At the same time, Maya could not sleep either. She woke up early and rushed to the tree. Her heart was beating fast. She looked around. Raju was not there. Her face became sad. He didn't come, she whispered. She sat quietly, feeling hurt, but something felt strange. After some time, she looked down. Near the base of the tree, under the cold ground, she saw something. She ran down quickly, and then her heart stopped. It was Raju. He was lying there, still silent, cold. He had stayed the whole night, just for her. Maya cried loudly, No, please, no! She held him, trying to warm him, but it was too late. Then she noticed something beside him, a small leaf and a tiny flower, the same flower he once gave her. On a warm day, no words were written, but it said everything. I never left. I stayed here, just for you. She cried even more. I should have trusted you. I should have never tested your love. But now it was too late. My friend, love does not always shout. Sometimes it stays silently, sacrifices quietly, and waits patiently. But when we keep testing it, we may lose it forever. Trust before you doubt. Hold before you push away. Because sometimes, by the time we understand true love, it is already gone. Do you believe this is true? Stay with us and learn English with more beautiful stories.